How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. I'm back with 18th week menu planning. Let's go and see what we ate throughout this week, and all the recipes that are available on my channel will be listed in the description box below, and you will get a little peek into my daily life. So let's go and see this video. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. And I will be back with a new video next week. Bye. Good morning. Happy Friday. I hope you're staying home and staying safe. I'm starting my day with a bit of walking and exercise. How are you maintaining yourself? Share with me in the comment section. Let's get this video started. Yummy double ka meetha is ready for this week's dessert. It's going to taste really awesome. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel if you want to make it. Link will be in the description box below. Puffed rice mixture for this week's snacks. Look how delicious that looks. Lunch is leftovers, and for lunch also I'm making whole mirchi bhaji, potato bhaji and onion bhaji. So onion pakoda. So everything is happening. Just started. It's been so many days since I made this, so I thought I'll make it. My bhaji platter is ready. Onion pakoda, potato pakoda and mirchi bhaji and some plain bhajis for the kiddos. Good morning. Let's start this Monday on a positive note with a beautiful sunrise and birds chirping. Let's get this day started. Good morning. Idli batter is nicely fermented and ready to go for this week's breakfast. Recipe is already in my YouTube channel if you want to make it. Link will be in the description box below. Look how pretty this flower is. It's called magnolia. It smells so sweet and so good. Little bit smells like jasmine, but it's amazing. Nature itself is amazing, right? For Monday's lunch, I made tomato rasam and rich gourd egg curry. Very tasty. Good morning. For Tuesday's breakfast, I made cinnamon sugar donuts, baked donuts. Let's taste and see how they taste. Very yum. What did you make for breakfast today? Tuesday's lunch is very simple. Hot rice with jeera potato fry, cumin potato fry and ivy gourd fry. Both are very yummy, served with wholesome yogurt. It's going to taste very delicious. Good morning. Hot idlis are ready for breakfast. Lima beans are boiling for lunch and tea is getting ready. It's going to be delicious and a good day. What are you making today? For Wednesday's lunch, it's tomato curry, simple tomato curry and lima beans fry. This recipe I tried for the first time. Let's see if my family likes it or not. I made little bit quantities only because I don't want to use it tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Good morning. For Wednesday's breakfast, I made Upma and I'm going to serve it with peanut chutney. The how to make simple Upma is already in my YouTube channel if you want to make it. Link will be in the description box below. Made yummy tamarind pulhara for lunch today, Thursday's lunch. This is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. All the recipes that are available on my channel will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.